Hello everyone, I'm back here today to bring you a product from Apple. This is an Apple Watch 8 product, 2020 version. This product is currently running. It's been about 4 years since its launch. I will briefly talk about whether this product is still worth buying or not until 2024. Back in time about 4 years ago, Apple launched Apple Watch 2020 product cheap price and named SE. SE is a hybrid variant between Series 4, 5 and 6. Currently because it is one hybrid form, it offers the latest hardware and features. With the SE price range at the time of launch being $279. Not one which smartwatch can compare with SE. About the Apple Watch 8 product. What will be the advantages and disadvantages? Regarding the advantages of Apple Watch 8, it will have a screen with high resolution and brightness to help display information beautifully and clearly even in bright sunlight. The heart rate sensor will use the second generation to help detect and warn off abnormal heart rhythms. .302 internal memory allows large amounts of storage, offline photos and music, and an always-on pitch sensor. Because it is a hybrid version of Series 5, it uses the S5 chip, so it gives high execution speed. And as for the downside, the product will not have the always-on display feature. And there's only the Iron X glass option for the glass. The body is made from aluminum alloy, with 3 basic colors: silver, black and rose gold. In my hand, this is the rose gold version. Quite light, with a unique design. Apple Watch will have one knob and one physical button. The knob will help you zoom, and the physical click part. The screen has high contrast. The Apple Watch 8 doesn't have the latest hardware, but it still stands out from the vast majority of products. SE has a screen with a high display area. Helps display more content. You can choose from many types of watch faces. The watch face also displays many user support information fields. Can display more personalized content. The SE delivers about 1000 nits of brightness, so it will display very well outdoors. This is the heart rate sensor part housed in sapphire crystal. Makes the product difficult to scratch and durable over time of use. Say will not have the latest healthcare features, but it has the most useful features. Heart rate can be measured. Practice sports. Detect falls and care for the elderly. SE has the ability to remind when you sit for too long, or when you need to drink water. Track your menstrual cycle. The above features are quite useful for users. With a compact, luxurious design, it has pushed SE to a new level. So which user segment will this product be for? Then the Apple Watch SE will. For those who have never owned a smartwatch, but want to have a safe experience. SE will be for those who are wearing Series 3 or earlier, and want to upgrade, but don't want to spend too much money, because Series 3 is too old and outdated. So Apple Watch SE 2020 is the right choice. The product is suitable for many ages. SE has an old screen, 1.57 inches. In the included product set, Apple will include a set of rubber bands for you. Currently, the battery life is about 1.5 days, and charging time is about 2 hours. Use magnetic charging. 3-2G internal memory. The watch will now connect via Bluetooth 5.0. Has GPS and Wi-Fi. Connect through the watch application on iPhone. For those who are Apple fans, this is a product worth considering. I will guide you to attach the wire. Then under the wire there will be a small magnet. Then when you put the wire, you can put it in the right direction. Compact face fits women,